Okay, sticking with our same example, this is kind of if you work it backwards, if you're given the probability and they want to know the value. So for example, if a problem was worded like 60% of the values fall below what number? Okay, so before we said what's the probability, which is this, that a certain that it's less than or greater than a particular number. Now we're looking for that number. We're looking for some x value down here that 60% of them fall below. Well, we know that 50%, not the way I have it drawn, but we know that 50% of our values fall below 100. So we know that the value would have to go over here, that 60% of the values would fall lower than some x value right over here. Okay, so using the computer, we can use a function on there that's called norm.inv for inverse. It's kind of just doing the inverse of what we did before. Now we're working it backwards. I like to think of it that way. And we know this probability is 60%. The key to this is that you always put the less than probability. If it had told us this was 40%, we would want to plug 60% into the computer because it always has to be the probability that's less than the particular x value you're looking for. So you'll do normal inverse, open parentheses, and then you'll put the probability, the less than probability in here, comma, and then your mean, and then your standard deviation. Okay, so if I was to put that into the computer, I would get an x value of 102.53. So we know that 60% of the values are less than 102.53. And again, if it gave you the greater than probability to begin with, then you just want to be sure you plugged in the less than probability into the formula or into the function when you type it into Excel. So I hope this has given you lots more insight into Chapter 6. We're not going to do exponential distribution or anything like that. And I hope that this will help you. And if you have any other questions or problems with your homework, just let me know in any way that I can help you.